Hi everyone, this is Deanna the Organized Miss, and I have my sterling ink, my second order. So I already unboxed my Into Age, which is like the weeks, and I did do a video. I'll try to remember to link it here, but also I'm going to try to just film this without editing it, so I can just, get it open and look at it. Oh, come on. It's always packaged so beautifully. So I did get the Mulberry. Excuse me, there goes my shot to hopefully do this without editing. So I did get the Mulberry in the B6, and so excited with the gold trim. Ooh, I love it. I think I had seen this one somewhere, but I'm a multimedia journalist in my community, and so I was kind of hoping I'd get one with the camera. I love it. Oh, come on. Catherine is so thoughtful. She puts so many details in, not just, obviously this freebie, the packaging. It's always so gorgeous, so beautiful. This is her business card is in here. And look, another little freebie. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you, Catherine. Look at that. That goes well with my common planner, doesn't it? Oh, I'm so excited. So let's just open this up. I got it a little while ago, but I just haven't had time to sit down and open it up. Oh, it feels so nice. I wish you could feel it. It feels like, I don't even know. It's so smooth. It's like butter. I think this is vegan leather, maybe, but it's so smooth. I know some of them had texture or were cloth-like, but this, oh, I love this. So she did make some videos when she was getting ready to launch all the planners, and just showed, what was different and new inside. And it's pretty much the same. I'll try to remember to link that video here, but the one change, so excited for, was this yearly overview for tracking. I love this. I love this so much. And then it goes right into your quarterlies, which have not changed from last year. Now, I do think she maybe made the font a little darker. I guess I could compare that. Let's get mine out. From this year. So let's just see if we can find one that is not too much writing on it. So if you have the 2024 Common Planner, yes, so the lines are a little darker and the font is a little more legible, a little bigger for me, and I need that, and I'm grateful for it. So just love it. And everything else is, oh, here, let's do this. Everything else is the same as far as your weeks go, and then in the back you have the daily pages. And did I get the full size one again, or did I get the compact? I just don't even remember. Yeah, 366. So I got the full size one, I think. Is that full size? It must be. Yes. Oh, I love it. I'm so ready to jump into it. But it begins the first week of January, if I remember correctly. Which the first week of January starts with December 30th of this year. So not too much longer. What is that? A little over 2 months now. Let's see, October, November, December. Yeah. So exciting. So if you have not ordered one, I know she put some back up. There was a restock online. I'm not all sure what's there right now as of filming this. But I'll link her below. So if you have not had a chance to go check it out, you won't regret it.